LaVa-X is the solution provider for welding challenges. We support our customer from feasibility study over process qualification up to serial production. The path varies from very small, like sensors or bipolar plates, up to very large, like foundations for offshore wind parks. To achieve highest welding quality and penetration depth up to 100 mm, we need reliable vacuum technology.
My name is Johanna. I'm the head of the application center here at LaVa-X, and we're standing in front of our modular lava cell system. This machine is equipped with an 8 kW bright-line weld laser, an LDD system and a multi-stage roof pump. We choose this pump because it's silent, energy efficient and produces a stable vacuum. With this setup, we are welding different kind of materials like aluminium, copper and stainless steel, but also titanium. Compared to laser beam welding at ambient pressure, we have no oxidation and significantly reduces porosity and spatters.
To bring these benefits to products that exceed a standard chamber size, we have also a mobile vacuum device which glides over large structures and a local vacuum device which is evacuated in less than a second, or even customized solutions like this one. Especially in complex projects like this, we value a competent partner with a broad portfolio.
In the production of bipolar plates, cycle time and quality are most important. With our pumping station, we can ensure pumping downtimes of a few seconds, and with the built-in leak detection system, we can check that the quality standards are met all the time on the fly.
With our good experience in the past with Pfeiffer Vacuum, we are looking forward to future projects together.